Hi, it's Mimi from Sonya Dakar here in Beverly Hills, and I have an awesome DIY for you today on something that we all get, which is sunburns. These are ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen right now that you can easily whip up. So we have some strained, non-fat or unsweetened Greek yogurt. I have some cucumber that I basically took out the pulp and mushed up over here. You can also use some aloe if you have that in your backyard. And I steeped some chamomile tea. And the last thing you're going to need is an organic omega booster, the face oil. And if you don't have our organic omega booster, you can also use a good quality grapeseed oil or an organic one that you could find at your local store. So what you're going to do is you're going to mix a little bit of the Greek yogurt. And I remember my mom would make this mixture for me since I was a little girl. And I can literally, some of my earliest childhood memories are of her applying this on my back, because you know we all get sunburned. Sometimes we'll put on sunscreen every day, I'm sure you all do, but we forget to reapply, or there's patches that we leave out. And you'll see right here, this is the kind of texture that you want, and just apply a few drops of omega oil to that, and that's going to really help pull out that inflammation, that irritation. And this is how you're going to apply it right here. And the yogurt, you cannot feel it, but it is so incredibly soothing and cooling. Right now, I just feel an instant cooling on my skin. And that's what you really want to do. You want to pull that redness, you want to pull that heat from your skin. And I'm going to let this dry for about 10-15 minutes. And once it's dry, if I still feel that burning sensation, you can just reapply another coat. Up to 3 applications you can do, and then you're gonna rinse it off with lukewarm water. And this mixture is actually going to last you an entire 24 hours. You can just stick it back in your fridge, and a few hours later you can reapply as needed. For more information on how to treat sunburn and on post sun care, go visit us online, click on the link below. We created a whole awesome blog post on all these great tips and tricks on post sun care, sonyadakar.com. Thank you everyone for watching, and have an awesome summer.